chapter. First of all, we will understand the concept regarding this chapter. First of all, let us consider x plus 4 equals to 16. So here x plus 4 equal to 16 represent an equation. So it is called an equation. So when this expression is equal to some number, then that is called an equation. So here this is our expression. Now what is the meaning of expression? Expression is combination of two or more terms. So here these are the two terms. These two terms are separated by the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here the combination of two and more terms are the expressions. Now expressions are furthermore categorized under 5 things, that are, first one is variables. Now what is the meaning of variables? If we consider an expression like x square plus 5xy plus 7, so here x, y are the variable in this expression, because variables are those which can be changed. Variable means variable. So vary means changeable. So that means these are those things which can be changed. That is value of those things which can be changed. For example, in some equation value of x may be 4 and in some other equation or in other expression it may be 5. So depending upon the type of equation or depending upon the equation, the value of x is always getting changed. So these are termed as a variable. So variable कौन से होते हैं जिनकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है. मतलब कई एक्सप्रेशन में x की वैल्यू 4 होगी, कहीं पे 5 होगी, कहीं पे 6 होगी. तो जो वाले वेरिएबल वो होते हैं जिनकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है. So x, y, z and all kind of the things that are the alphabetically, which are denoted as alphabetically, like x, y, z, t. These are the denotion of variables. Generally these 4 are used, like x, y, z, t, sometimes m, n are also used. So these are the alphabets which are used to denote the variable. Now next is constants. Now constants are those whose value always remain constant. As its name indicates, constant means whose value can never be changed. Figure, for example, here the third term is 7. So here value of 7 is always remain 7. For example, if I suppose that I am going at 7 o'clock to Delhi, then value of 7 will remain 7. It can never be 6. For example, I say that I have 7 pencils, I have 7 books, then that means I have 7 pencils. And similarly, if I suppose I have 6 pens, then value of 6 will remain 6. So those things whose value can never be changed, then that are called the constants. Now here next is coefficients. Coefficients are generally the numeric value of the variables. For example, here coefficient of xy is 5. Coefficient of x square is, if nothing is given to us, then it's a multiple of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So these are the coefficients. Next is terms. So in the expression, as we already defined the term expression is something which is made from two or more terms. So here 2 terms are given to us. Now how will we identify the terms? Terms are generally differentiated by the signs of addition, subtraction, etc. So here x plus 4 is addition. Instead of addition, sometimes here may be negative sign, that is there may be subtraction sign. So these are two terms. So these are the terms. Next is factors. Now what is the meaning of factors? So here as x square is a term, so if we expand a term, then x square can be written like x multiplied by x. So the factor of x square is x. Similarly, if we express the term 3x square y square as a factorized form, then it will be written like this. So here factors of 3x square y square will be 3x and y. That is 3 into x into x into y into y. So these are the factors of 3x square y square. So these are called the factors. Now terms are further categorized into the two forms, that is like terms and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Now like terms are those whose algebraic expression will be same, that is whose like 3xy, 3xy and 5xy. So here the algebraic the factor of this algebraic terms are same, like 3xy can be written like 3 into x into y. In a similar way 5xy can be expanded form as 5 into x into y. So these are xy are same, so these are like terms. Now unlike terms are those which have different algebraic factors. For example, x square y and 5xy. Here x square y has a factors x into y and 5xy will be 5 into x into y. So here x into y and here x square into y. So since the algebraic expressions, that is algebraic factors are different. Here algebraic factors of the term are same. Now since like and unlike terms we had explained, now these like and unlike terms are used in the addition of any expression, any two expression, and subtraction of any two expression. So these two types of terms are used in that case. Now next are mononomial, binomial and trinomial. Now mononomial means the expression which has only one term. For example 3x or 7, 3x square y or 5x square y square, 7x square y cube z. These all are mononomial because in all these expressions only one term is existed. So these are under the mononomial expression. Now binomial, here bi means two. So in this expression two terms will be existed, like 3x square y plus 11, or we can write like 5x square y square plus 7, or it may be written like x plus 4, or maybe like y plus 9. So these all are the binomial. So binomial means two terms. So when in an expression two terms are existed, then those are the binomial. Next is trinomial. like x square plus 7x plus 5. So here three terms are existed. When we, and similarly like x square y plus 7x plus 9. These all are the three-termed expression that are the trinomial, or we can say that three-termed polynomial. So these are the trinomial expressions. Now we will do the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. So here we are given some expressions. So here addition of these two expression will be x square plus 7xy. So as we are heard about the like and unlike terms, then as x square and x square are the like terms, so coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x square is again 1. Then 2x square 1 plus 1 2x square. Similarly 5xy and 7xy are also like terms. So 5 plus 7 will be 12xy. So this is the addition of the expressions. Now if we consider first and third, then that will be x square plus 5xy, y square plus 9x square y square. Students, here we had taken the examples of unlike and like termed expressions so that we get the clarity of the concept. So x square and y square are the different terms. So x square plus y square, 5xy and 9x square y square are also unlike terms. So we will write it as it is 5xy plus 9x square y square, because here x square y square, here is xy present. These are unlike terms, so we will write them as it is. And similarly x square and y square are also unlike terms, so we will write them as it is. So this is the addition of the two expressions. Now let us do subtraction of the algebraic expression. First of all, y square plus 9x square y square minus z square plus 9x square y square. So we will subtract these two expressions, y square minus z square, because these are unlike terms, so will be written as it is y square minus z square plus 9x square y square minus, because 9x square y square and 9x square y square are same, so these are the like terms, so we will operate them, that is plus 9x square y square, as before the bracket negative sign is present, so all the other signs will be changed in the brackets. So here positive sign was present, because here negative sign is present before the bracket, so all the signs will be changed. So plus will be changed into minus. Here also plus will be changed into minus, because minus plus minus. So 9x square y square and plus 9x square y square, 9x square minus y square will be 0, y square minus z square plus 0. So our answer will be y square minus z square. Now let's take in one more example. X square plus 5xy minus x square plus 7xy. So here again, because negative sign is present before the bracket, so when we open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. Plus sign will be changed into negative sign and negative sign will be changed into positive sign. So here, as both these signs are positive, so will be changed into negative sign. So x square minus 7xy. Now here x square and x square are the like terms. So x square minus x square will be written 5xy positive sign minus 7xy are negative sign. Since these are the like terms, these two are also like terms. So x square minus x square will be 0, because 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly 5 square minus 5 square will be also 0. In a similar way, x square minus x square will be 0. Now 5 minus 7 will be minus 2. One thing should be noted that if we are given the like terms like 5xy and 7xy, if we want to subtract these two terms, then we simply subtract the numeric value. That is 5 minus 7 will be minus 2. Rest of the two factors will be written as it is with it. So our answer will be minus 2xy. So this is our expression. That's all. Now next is how to find the value of expression. Value of expression. If we are given with the value of any variable, for example, let us consider 4x. This is our expression, that is, it is a monomial. So here value of x is 4. Then value of expression will be, we simply put the value of x in this expression. So 4 into 4 will be 16. So this is the value of our expression. Now let's do one more example. We put the value of x and y in this expression. 4 square plus 3 square plus 7 into 4 square into 3 square minus 5 into 4 into 3 plus 7. So we'll solve this expression. 16, 3 square is 9 plus 7 into 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is 144. 144 into 7, 1008 minus 5 for the 20, 20 into 3, 60 plus 7. Now 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 minus 60 plus 1008. Now 32 minus 60, that will be minus 28 plus 1008. Now 1008 minus 28, that will be 980. So in this way, by putting the value of these variables, we can find the value of any expression. That's it.